University, Manuela Beltrán. Basic English 2. Important event in my life. Categories. My name is Sergio Vélez. Categories: your favorite vacation and childhood memory, your favorite moment at school. Your favorite vacation: where did you go? I remember that the vacation were in Cartagena, Colombia. Who did you go with? We went with my wife and my children. When was that vacation? This vacation was in July 2018. A childhood memory. Why was that situation important in your life? My birthday party, because on this occasion I shared with my family and friends and still remember it. How old were in that moment? I was 5 years old. Who were you with? And with my family and friends. Your favorite moment at school. Who were you with? On this occasion, I was playing football with classmates. When did that event happen? Did happen at school, on the breaks and the collection. Where were you? I was in the championship the classes. Thank you for your attention.